kiddos! That's kiddos, and we're back for another. Today we're gonna open up the Ryan toy.
This is the Ryan World Mystery Figure Set, and it comes with 14 pieces, and it has a surprise ultra rare figure. You guys, look at how many pieces that we have in here, and I have never seen Robot Ryan before.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hi, Ryan. All right, ready to open them and see what's inside?
Yes.
Yes, so let's do it. Think you can open it right over? Got it open. You just take them out right here, baby. So here is Scientist Ryan. He looks so cool and smart. And then that's Kung Fu Ryan. Show them Kung Fu Ryan. Yeah! Ooh, what Ryan is this? Oh, this is Mo. Haha. I like Mo's hair.
I'm gonna walk back there.
Hey, Racer Ryan. He can fit in that car, I bet. This is Racer Ryan. It's Racer Ryan. Can you get in there?
Yeah.
All right. So this is just Ryan right here. Hi, Ryan. That's Ryan.
That's the real Ryan.
Yeah, that's right.
Hi, Ryan.
Here is Red Titan Ryan. Whoa, look at his cape, guys. And this is Gus. Whoa, you got so many Ryan toys today. Robot Ryan. I'm a little robot. I'm a Ryan robot. There you go. Take out the eggs. There you go. Got one egg.
Got 2 eggs.
What color is that one?
Red.
What color is this one? Yellow. And what color is the final egg?
Pink.
Okay. Do you want to put it in there and blast it?
I wonder if it's soft.
Pick which color that you want to put in there and blast it. The red one? Put it in that way. Push the red button. Oh! It went over there. That is so cool. Oh yeah, shoot that yellow one.
I did fire.
Yeah, did you have fun unboxing the stuff today?
Yeah, we gotta box some more stuff.
Leia, you forgot the ultra rare. Check and see what's in there. Oh, I'm so excited to see what's in there. Woo wee.
And I'm 4, guys.
Yeah, she's 4. So I need you guys, when you're done watching this video, to go check out her special birthday video. Here you go. Oh, what's it gonna be? It's an ultra rare figure.
It's a hard one.
Ooh.
Oh my God! It's a king.
Hey!
Wait,
Take him out. Whoa.
it's another.
Show them what it is. It's a Space Ryan. Wow. Hey, he looks cool. Or is it a Space Ryan?
It's a summer Ryan.
Is this a Space Ryan, Jaden, or the astronaut Ryan, or is this underwater Ryan? This would be a Space Ryan, right?
I don't know. That's an underwater Ryan.
Okay. You guys, this was so fun unboxing all of these. Like, this is so cool. So we're gonna also have another Ryan video where we unbox an egg, and we need you guys to go check that out too, okay? Do you want to tell your friends bye?
Bye. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe right there, right there. Hit that bell right there, right there. Bye.